ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Kala air election siya kaying dorbar tauan jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala nang be hir hadin baki kertong kilasdang ban pan tiket na kisengsan pertai bapher na kabenta ban yakun yakani ke election MDC kaban salong ha ka khandai terik ubna yayong arajar arpuway unongelam jong ka sengsan pertai Bharatiya Janata Party uba Alexander L. Heck habayakran bat kilat pathai kubor ulayatho bakila don kumbasan ngut ai ki kertong ki balawan ye kendo yau nagabenta ban pan ye tiket Henry hakabaya day bat kani uba Alexander L. Heck ulayatho bayakarai bakhaddu halor ka jingjit ye ki kertong an sa shimhi da ka party la an penyekun baro ar phukundai seat lani tang khandiat tli ki seat hakajo ko por uba AL Heck ulayatho ru ba ka jersey bamsap kanlong ka way ni ki mat yalap election jong ka BJP ha kani ka kenti bala penong ye ki election sha ka ying dor bar thawan ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hadin bakani ka sengsan perthai kala saimadan ya ka jersey bamsap ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council but ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dangshen.
It depend on 4 or 5 candidate already has approached me. Maybe they have approached the state president also. They have approached the district president of Garo Hills, maybe to other leaders also. That we have not received any the official candidate. Till now we have not received any official intimations. The GHADC election, the whole Garo Hills is very potential for BJP. But the potential also it has to be translated to votes. So now we have to do our survey. Unless we have done our survey and see also the candidates who are coming forward for asking the party tickets, then only we will be able to give you the correct information regarding the contesting of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council election. Don't see, if you ask me, that is my personal, not as a party. As a personal, we don't want to have any pre-poll alliance with any political party. We head only as BJP to contest election and to see also our strength. That is the issue of the BJP from the beginning only. BJP is zero tolerance on corruption. That is not to raise up. This is a natural issue. Anywhere, if you contest MP, you contest MLA, you contest district council, you contest the ward election or any election, zero tolerance on BJP, on corruption. Real issue yang BJP yang orang sedang das zero tolerance ya corruption. Taka issue kat one bit definitely. Number 2 kat one bit kiwi issue kebadan kam nama ta development, nama ta kam gejam, nama ta ki economy, nama ta imlang salang, nama ta baru ki issue kat one. This is not specific for one issue. BJP is working for the all-round development of the state. Tangi pat yasong, dangla yasong ngin saya perkat lalu ngin penmi yang list yang kita dia. Ya betul ngam panut bat ong kata bagan kondas saya baru arkonda ikli kisit yasong puderu haki kani ka jingwan jongki kan nungut ki candidate iyo nama taman kontes ka FDC election agar see the party is, I told you, have high potential in Garo Hills and also in the state of Meghalaya. So we are confident that we are going to win at least the sizable members of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.